We'll guide you through how to block private numbers and calls on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So I receive a lot of spam via private numbers and calls, and so I want to go and block them. Therefore, they won't come through, they won't go and ring, as otherwise I think it's an important call, and then I answer it and it's just spam. Just remember, you may go and end up receiving so important calls via private numbers or calls, but if you're expecting them, for example, a hospital appointment or something like that, you can always go and turn this off. It's a setting you can easily go and switch on or off to block or unblock. So to go and get started with this, we actually need to go and find the phone app. So at the bottom, you should go and find it. If you've got it elsewhere on your phone, go and open it. So come into phone. Now what you need to do is come to the keypad. So at the bottom, you want to come to the bottom row and select keypad. You'll go and see this screen here. And now what you need to do is you need to go and head to the top right, and you'll go and have the magnifying glass and the three dots. Tap on the three dots and you've got some different options here. What we need to do though is go and head to settings. So you can go and tap settings at the bottom of the list. Then you can go and see the different options we've got here. So what we want to do is for blocking private calls and numbers is you need to go into block numbers at the top. And now at the top, you'll go and see the option for block calls from unknown numbers. So that's going to be classed as a private number or call. So what you can do is make sure that's switched on like this. What you can also do is go and block spam and scam calls. So you can go and tap there and you can go and switch this on. So we can go and switch that on like so. And then what you can also do is go and block spam and scam calls, as you may receive other calls as well. And this will help go and detect it using the higher service, which is really cool. That's it. You should now go and be blocking them and they hopefully won't be coming through and annoying you.